Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to pay for your Spotify premium without your credit card. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Spotify application. After opening your Spotify, you will have to click on the premium icon at the bottom right corner. Click on premium and you will be on this page. Now, you will have to choose any of the plan that you want. For example, if I need a duo plan, I will click on Get Duo Premium. When I click on Premium Duo, it will open up this page. On this page, I will have to click on Continue with Spotify. When I click on this button, this will take me to this payment page. On this page, I will have to choose whether I want to use my credit card or debit card. And I also have the option to use PayPal. So, if you don't want to use your credit card, that is, you want to do the payment without using your credit card, you will have to choose PayPal. Now click on Continue Purchase and enter your PayPal credentials, complete the payment, and you will have your Spotify premium plan without your credit card. Now, if you want to do it with a debit card, select this credit or debit card. In this section, you will have to just enter your debit card details. Instead of credit card, make sure you add your debit card details in this section and click on Buy Now. When you click on Buy Now, you will have successfully paid for your Spotify premium without your credit card. So that's the simple way you can pay for your Spotify premium without your credit card. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.